If you're seeing Steam error code 211, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This error usually happens when Steam's web helper cannot properly connect with your game files or with Steam's remote servers, which means the issue can be caused by corrupted files, a bad network route, or even damaged browser data inside Steam itself. The good news is that you can usually solve it without reinstalling everything from scratch. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's get straight into it. First, we'll start with the most important and safest fix, which is verifying the integrity of your game files. This helps Steam check whether any required files are missing, broken, or corrupted. To do this, open Steam and go to your library. Find the game that is giving you the error, then right-click it and choose Properties. From there, go to Installed Files. You'll see an option that says Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click that and let Steam scan everything. This process may take a few minutes depending on the size of the game. What it's doing is comparing your local files with Steam's official version and replacing anything that looks damaged. If the error was caused by a missing DLL file or a broken installation handshake, this step can fix it immediately. If the error is still there after that, the next thing to try is a VPN. This might sound unrelated, but sometimes Steam error code 211 is caused by an ISP routing problem, where your connection is being sent through a bad path and cannot reach the specific Steam web rendering servers properly. To test this, close Steam completely first. Make sure it is not running in the background, then connect to a reliable VPN server in a different region. Once the VPN is active, launch Steam again and check whether the problem is gone. If Steam opens normally and the error disappears, that usually means your original network route was the issue. In that case, you can continue using the VPN temporarily or contact your internet provider and let them know there may be a routing or connectivity problem affecting Steam. Now let's move on to another very effective fix, which is flushing Steam's config. This resets some of Steam's internal data pointers and can clear out stubborn configuration problems that a simple restart may not fix. To do this, press Windows key and R together to open the run box. Type steam://flushconfig and press enter. A warning window will appear. Click OK to confirm. After that, restart your computer completely. When your PC turns back on, open Steam again and if possible, launch it from the installation folder rather than just clicking a shortcut. This can help Steam rebuild its settings cleanly and remove any hidden configuration conflicts that may be triggering code 211. Next, if you still haven't fixed it, clear the Steam HTML cache. Steam uses an internal browser to load parts of the library, store, and other interface elements, and if that browser data becomes bloated or corrupted, it can cause rendering failures. That can lead directly to error code 211. To clear it, open Steam and go to Settings. Then navigate to the Interface tab. Look for the option that says Delete Web Browser Data. Click it and confirm the action. After clearing the cache, close Steam fully and reopen it. This gives Steam a fresh start with cleaner browser data, which often resolves display and loading errors tied to the web helper. If you want the best results, I recommend trying these fixes in order. Start with verifying your game files, then test with a VPN, then flush Steam config, and finally clear the HTML cache. In many cases, one of these steps will get Steam working again without any major changes to your system. Also, if you're using multiple network adapters, antivirus tools, or firewall software, make sure Steam is allowed through them because those can sometimes interfere with the Steam web helper as well. So to quickly recap, Steam error code 211 is usually caused by a broken file, a bad network route, or corrupted Steam browser data. By verifying your files, testing a VPN, flushing Steam config, and clearing the HTML cache, you give yourself the best chance of fixing it fast and safely. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful gaming and software guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another Steam error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.